So after throwing the A-rig around for a little while, I downsized here with a little underspin, little Cool Baits underspin, like 3/16 ounce with a little kite deck. Spider chaser. The old underspin, just a classic fall bait right there. That's what you want. Go, guys. Cool Baits. Perfect. All right, here's the Deps I won. I have to admit, it's kind of a cool color, something different. After swim baiting for a while, I'm just searching around, kind of looking for bass, and I spot a big school of crappie under me, so I put the ice jig on. Oh my God, beautiful. That is an absolute tank. That's a freaking tank. Oh my God. Jeez. African tank. Yes. One 6. What a beauty. What a beauty. There he goes. All right, Lagoon. Friday morning. Actually, no one here. Upper Lake's been kind of a mess, so I was a little worried about going up there. Try this bite down here again, see how we do. Joe's gonna join me here shortly, so hopefully we can get on some, the jerk bait, maybe some swim bait action. All right, we got the battery all set up on Bluetooth here. Check it throughout the day. I got the cranking battery installed too for all the electronics in the motor. Full next gen lithium setup now. So stoked, guys. Oh yeah? I got one.
Nice.
There you go.
Okay.
You know I can get them.
The first one.
Maybe I don't have fish.
You do.
Do I?
Yeah. The way it moves the other way, you know?
Little dude.
Oh my gosh, what a cutie.
So cute. Got him a while ago for the, what do you call it? For the citizen. Little dude.
I bought like, I think it's like 8 largemouth.
It was kind of a combination. But I got one. Littlest bass ever. Ooh. Yep.
Nice little headbutt.
Oh gosh. Alright, good. Later. Let's get right into them.
Dude, that's a Mondo school.
Yes. Here, you want to? I have a rod you can use. Oh, they're going right at it.
It's a Mondo school, dude. Oh my gosh.
Let's get you a crappie setup. Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. Oh. I might have to put the jig head on.
Carefully.
They don't love the... Got one. Hey! You want to keep him?
No, I'm good. That would be even cooler. That's awesome. You can keep it alive. We'll see how many you can catch.
Oh, you sure you want to keep him? I got a bag you could...
No, you good.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's get you a copy then.
Oh, he's a slab.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna just keep an eye on the school, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, dude, I don't think... Oh, dude, they're barely even moving. That's crazy. Giant.
Slabo. Woo! Black Slabbeth.
Alright, while you set me up, I'll just try to...
Alright, guys. Look at that beautiful crappie. Go. Oh, yeah, he's gone. Alright, at the Goon. Gonna jump on Drew's boat this morning for a couple of hours. Yo! Is he back there chopping grass again? Yeah. Oh, man. I had them all in these little... I finally found where a bunch of big ones were, and then they chopped. And the funny thing is, I was here Monday, and I was finding him right where he's at, really? Right outside the reeds. And I was like, and now he's over there chopping. Oh, gosh. What's up, brother? How are you?
I'm great.
Oh, I love this boat.
Dude, it feels great to be out here on a Tuesday.
So,
Wednesday, whatever it is.
I know, right? I'm the same way. I lose track of freaking days. Oh.
You have one?
I was loading up on something. Dude, I think I did get bit. No, it was grass. It was starting to load up on me though. It's like, but you would think this little guy would get bit. Oh, it's not that big.
Put that into a 12.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, I got him.
Get him?
Yeah. Thought I got hit. Jerk bait. Well, it's a good little search bait, you know?
Oh, it's great.
Alright, liar, this guy. Yeah, it was. Easy, guy. Easy. Alright, there you go. Me either.
I'm not skilled enough to get one.
I was at the upper. I have one. I think I have one. A little guy. I was at the upper. Oh, spit it. Yeah, it was so little though. And I know a place that you can catch a giant though. Balboa. Oh yeah, just go do like the bait and wait thing, and you'll catch a giant. I see guys when I go there, they just constantly catch biggins. Ugh. Oh, chase it all the way up. It's a big one too. Oh, get out. Get out of there.
Epic.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yes, let's go. Dude, he chased him full speed, dude.
Dude, that was epic.
Holy crap. Thanks, dude. Yeah. Appreciate it. Little 2-pounder. Yes, God. Dang. Thanks for the net. Oh. Dang, guys, it is a short, probably like 2.5 pound, dude.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, exactly what I thought. 2.5 exactly. Short. It's probably like 16 inches, but 2.5 pounds. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. But yeah, it's been like what, 70 bucks. There we go.
No, you got him?
Yeah. Little guy, right? Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big one right there though. Oh, I got him. Don't worry about it. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Dude, that was a big one out there though.
If I was fishing, I wouldn't have netted. But
I appreciate it. Ooh, get out there. Come on. Come on, Hinkle.
The 250.
Oh, it's right. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to touch this guy. He's got too many hooks. There.
I got some longer pliers somewhere.
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, in here.
There we go, baby.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one too.
Good one?
A little better. Okay, I don't know for sure, but I saw right on that freaking bait. Oh my god, that was a... Yeah, it's a bigger fish.
Alright. Oh, he's side hooked.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, my glasses are all fogged up. I can't see anything right now. Okay, thanks, dude. Sorry. Isn't that funny?
Dude,
Gosh,
I love that.
felt so good too.
Oh, they always prank so hard, that is.
Guy swooping on it.
So funny that. God, it's a 5.
Yeah,
Oh no, I can get it. And it's like really kicking too.
especially with the jerk bait too. Dang, like it's a big one. Get hit right away.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Got one?
The second it landed, dude. I must have just thrown it right on a fish. Oh, dude, it's a bigger one.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, get out of the weeds.
Get out of there.
Oh. Unless I caught a weed. No, I was fighting. It's a weed. It's a
weed fish.
Is it a fish?
Fish too.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's side hook.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Dude.
He hit it and just, dang. That's a good picture, right? Poor guy. Oh man. He's still alive. Oh my god, he's so cute. Look at you. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's actually a fish.
No.
Holy crap.
Oh my god.
That's the littlest fish I've ever seen out here.
How?
Wow, look at that guy.
He's fat, too.
Dude, look at that dude. Yes. That is awesome. Microfishing today.
Dude.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Oh dude, that's such a fun fish.
God, is that just a solid. Can't be more than 16 inches. Heck yeah. That's fun. Chase that sucker down. Later, dude.
Down.